A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my dear students. How are you all? Fine, must. And what about your cursive practice? Yes, so you are doing no? Yes, आपको अभी बहुत अच्छा आ गया. That's very great. I am glad to listen. Okay, and today also we will be doing practice of cursive sentences. This is on your page number 5. So are you all ready for that? So let's start, my dear students. So my dear students, let's start with our cursive practice. Okay, and this is your page number 5. Let's select the pen. Okay, which color you want, bachcho? Yes, red, yellow or blue or orange? Okay, ठीक है. So let's start, my dear students. The mouse. How you will write the T-H-E? It's the mouse requested. M-O-U-S-E. The mouse. But here is somewhat mistake. The mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Okay, requested the lion. R-E-Q-U-E-S-T-E-D. It's called requested. Okay, and the next one is to whom the mouse requested? The mouse requested to the lion. L-I-O-N. It's called lion. To forgive it. To. T-O-2. Forgive. You will write? Yes, in this way. F-O-R-G-I-V-E. Forgive. Now tell me, where is the mistake? V touch नहीं हुआ line से. So you will be writing this one again. Okay. F-O-R-G-I-V-E. It's called forgive. Okay. See now V is on the line. Okay. Now forgive it. How you will write? In this way, it. The mouse requested the lion, sorry bachcho, to forgive it. The lion felt pity. In this way, the lion felt pity. L-I-O-N, lion. Felt pity. F-E-L-T. It's called felt. P-I-T-Y. It's called, yes, tell me bachcho, it's called pity. Daya aa gayi. Okay. And left it. A-N-D. A, see the correct formation, and left. Once again, how you will write and? See, and in this way, correct? And left it. L-E-F, and this is T. Left it. I-T, it. Correct? The mouse ran away. The mouse ran away. Again, you will be writing in this way. The mouse. O-U-S-E. The mouse ran away. How you will write R-A-N, ran. Away. A-W-A, and this is Y. The mouse ran away. Okay, once again, yes, we will move on your first fresh page. Now we are moving on a fresh page. That means we will be doing this once again. Come on, start writing along with me. Yes, you have to write along with me, my dear children. The mouse requested the lion. To forgive it. To forgive. And what was the next one? The lion felt pity. The L-I-O and N. Clear? The lion felt pity. So, children, you have written along with me. The lion felt pity. P-I-T-Y. It's called pity. Okay? Now, and left it. And left it. Okay? And the last line was the mouse ran away. The M-O-U-S-E, mouse. The mouse ran away. Okay? How you will write away? In this way. Okay? Is it clear? Okay, bachcho? Yes. Away. Once again. A-W-A, and this is Y. Clear? Yes. So it was all from page number 5, and you will be doing as your assignment. If you have any problem, you can call your Anjali ma'am. Okay? So keep smiling. Do take care of yourself. God bless you all.